yung comms hawak nila. Pero
Mm.
ano kaya yung epekto nung social media, ng internet kay Bangag dito sa Marcos administration?
Well, mahihirapan ka
Yeah.
to, kasi if you're peddling lies,
Yeah.
you cannot remember your storyline.
Mm.
So
Mm.
whenever there are issues, we come up with different storylines for the simple reason that you're peddling lies. Di ba
Yeah.
mahirap gumawa ng storya base sa pagsisinungaling?
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan mo yung tandaan ng tandaan na
Mm.
pareho ang storya. Kaya
Mm.
nagkakagulo sila dahil paiba-iba. Una
Mm.
yan. Pangalawa, hindi yung trust rating ng Pangulo apektado. Sa bawat pagsisinungaling ni Yusek Castro, bumababa. Na pag-aralan namin yun every time she says something, the trust rating of the president goes down. Kaya makikita mo si presidente on major information, gusto niya siya ang magsabi. Yun nga
Mm.
lang, para na siyang reporter, no?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so nakikita rin ng taong bayan, si Yusek pala pambardagulan lang,
Mm.
hindi
Mm.
for policy pronouncements. Na ngayon lang nangyari yan sa institusyon ng presidente. Hmm.
Question. Mahirap ang trabaho ni Claire, 'no?
Mahirap
Mahirap
kasi
ano, kasi sa amin nun madali. Kasi si Digong ang galing, talagang
hindi
yung
sa inyo madali kasi you tell the truth.
yeah, also, our job kasi was to communicate the programs of the president and for me to simplify for the Filipino people to love Digong. How will they
Mm.
love him if they don't know him? So it's our job to let
Yes.
them know him. What is he doing for you, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Sa
yeah.
yung program. So
Alam
what
mo,
will Claire say?
effective yung ginawa niyong feedback. Yung one,
Yeah.
ano yun? 888 ba yan? Basta yung
Yeah, yeah,
feedback
yeah,
mo,
yeah. So yung
importante yun.
presidential ano, yeah. Yeah.
Oo,
So
importante rin yung,
so mm.
yes.
Yeah, so Malu, paano 'yun? Anong sasabihin ni Claire kung hindi kasi sinungalingan at makipagbardagulan? Kasi ano sasabihin niya, yung totoo? Drug addict 'yan at saka magnanakaw 'yan, 'di ba?
Pero yun nga parati kong sinasabi, iba ang institusyon, iba ang personal.
Yeah, correct,
So you,
correct.
you,
That's
you
right.
defend the
Mm.
institution, you
Yeah,
don't focus on the personal. Kasi yung personal, that's not part of the institution.
yeah,
Pero
yeah,
sa kanya, wala nang institution eh. Lahat ng kalaban, babatikusin niya. So may soundbite siya every time nahaharap siya
yeah.
to the opposition or to certain individuals. And that is not presidential communication.
You know why, Malu? You know what I saw? No, what I
Oh,
saw earlier on. Why it's like that?
oh.
Because they're all following the lead of their leader, 'di ba? Follow the leader talaga sila. So, for this guy, his position, I mean, I look at all of them and they're power hungry. The way they look at the puesto
Hmm.
was so different from what we saw because PRRD would tell us, hindi kayo special. Mga
Hmm.
trabahante lang tayo sa
Yeah.
gobyerno.
Alam mo
Eh, yeah,
yung mindset na yan na
yeah,
trabahante,
yeah,
public servant, that
yeah,
actually defines the difference between
yeah, yeah.
Rodrigo Duterte and Marcos Jr.
Yes, yes.
Diba? Doon
Yeah,
pa lang doon sa mindset na yon. Ngayon, kung hindi ka drinil doon sa mindset na yon, and
yeah,
you're on your own, kita mo, napaka-hesitant ang mga cabinet secretaries
yeah,
magsalita.
yeah.
Nung panahon nyo, ang cabinet secretaries front
Totally.
and center.
Yeah, yeah,
Ngayon, you will have to cajole them to say something.
yeah. You know why, Malu? Because PRRD his leadership was exceptional, no? And
Mm.
I would think that I often think that he made a lot of us look good just
Mm.
because he was so good, and we just followed him, diba? I mean, for
Mm.
instance, Vince Dizon looked really good during PRRD's time, but now look at
Mm.
him now, diba? There's
And,
a difference. There's a big
uh,
difference now, right?
that's right. And when he came into the fray, he
Yeah,
was like a fresh
yeah,
person
yeah, yeah,
on the arena. Then
yeah.
all of a sudden, he started melting.
Yeah, it
Now,
devolved really fast, no?
yeah, and now he's just one of the boys. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
So
yeah.
whatever happened to you?